Imagine this: a dense forest shrouded in mist, where the shadows seem to dance with every rustle of the leaves. It's in places like these that legends often take root, and one of the most enduring legends of all is that of Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch. Rooted in folklore but shrouded in mystery, the question remains: is there scientific proof of the elusive Sasquatch? The tale of Bigfoot is as old as time itself. Indigenous populations across North America have passed down stories of this towering, ape-like creature for generations. Descriptions often depict a massive, hairy bipedal figure, standing anywhere between 6 to 10 feet tall, with footprints that can reach up to 24 inches in length. But despite countless anecdotes, photos, and videos, the scientific community remains skeptical. To begin with, let's consider the evidence. Over the years, there have been thousands of reported sightings and footprints across the United States, especially in the Pacific Northwest. Perhaps the most famous piece of evidence is the Patterson-Gimlin film, a short motion picture shot in 1967 that appears to show a Bigfoot-like creature striding through the forest. Yet despite its widespread notoriety, the film remains inconclusive, with debate still raging over its authenticity. A more tangible form of evidence lies in the numerous plaster casts of footprints attributed to Sasquatch. However, scientists argue that these could easily be fabricated and lack critical biological indicators such as dermal ridges, similar to human fingerprints, which would cement their authenticity. Let's not forget the potential genetic evidence. Over the years, researchers have collected hair, blood, and other biological samples purportedly belonging to Bigfoot. However, extensive DNA analyses have consistently shown them to belong to known animals, such as bears or deer. Furthermore, from an ecological standpoint, the existence of a creature as large as Bigfoot would require a sustainable breeding population. This population would need enough resources to survive across generations. Yet, no remains, such as bones or carcasses, have ever been found. This absence raises significant doubts about the feasibility of a breeding population existing undetected. It's essential to acknowledge that while the scientific community largely remains unconvinced of Bigfoot's existence, the search continues. Some researchers argue that the lack of evidence doesn't necessarily disprove Sasquatch's existence. They propose that Bigfoot might be a relic hominid, much like the once mythical mountain gorillas that were only confirmed by Western science in 1902. In closing, the allure of Bigfoot continues to captivate our imaginations, partly because it lives at the intersection of science and legend. While definitive scientific proof remains elusive, the quest for Bigfoot beckons with the promise of discovery and the enduring human desire to explore the unknown. Until discovery leans one way or the other, Sasquatch remains a creature of shadow, a figure that lurks at the edges of our understanding. Perhaps that's precisely where it belongs, as a symbol of mystery itself, forever lurking just beyond the veil of reality.